Yeah?
Hello.
I can make the
Show me
photo
the
small, and
photo.
I can
Show
make
me
it
the photo.
big.
Wow, I look awesome. Alex,
Yeah,
Alex,
exactly.
Alex, the scutter
And
bot
then and
flying
then
around.
and then when I'm fed up with you, I can just throw the photo away.
So
Whee!
I'm recording this now. So let's
All
go
right,
let's
okay.
go and have a little wander around again.
What? Let's go around. Let me grab the camera. Okay. Where have you gone?
I went through the wall.
Yeah, we run through the wrong wall.
Did I? I'm back in.
I don't know where
I
you
don't know
are
where I
now.
am. I'm back. I don't know where I am. I think I'm in upstairs. Hello?
Yeah, there you are. Oh, you've gone invisible.
Have I? Have you hidden me again?
Yes. Yeah, yeah. I've not hidden you, but it's just your label is there now. Your avatar's gone.
That's very strange.
Yeah.
Am I back at all?
No. Shall I have a little look and
I
see
think
if
you must
you're
have hidden me
invisible on
because
this?
I've not hidden me. Where have you gone?
I haven't hidden you. Well,
You-
start. It's going to be very difficult to track you down if I
Well,
don't sort people. People. And then Alex.
I'm outside.
No. Yeah, I'm just turning your volume up. But no, it shouldn't have hidden you. No, you're disappeared. Hello?
Hello?
Oh,
Hello?
are you downstairs?
There you are. I can see you. There you are.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, what happened?
I don't know. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's great.
Good.
Okay. How do you turn to no fly? Back to no fly.
You just type fly again.
You have a second time,
Yeah.
and then that's no fly.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can do that. Because wait, are we in some sort of living room now?
I think so. Are we
No,
in
this
the
is
upstairs living room now, are we? Or something?
okay. Well, so we're gonna do a little bit of a video. Yeah.
I'm just recording
see.
this. Where's that bathroom again then and all that stuff? Is that around here?
Which bathroom?
I don't know. There was I don't know, a bit lost. I'll follow you.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Okay. That's this one doesn't go anywhere. I think we need to go
I've seen
back
that
out
one
into
before.
here.
That's another walk-in closet. It's very nice.
Yeah. You're in the closet now, are you?
I'm coming out the closet.
Okay. So were we gonna go upstairs to that weird red room?
Yeah, go on then. Yeah. Where's that?
Okay, that's upstairs.
We're just gonna go through the. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Fly up into. Yeah, there we go. There's the red room.
Where are you?
You can hear me now?
Me?
Yeah. Up, down.
Up again.
Yeah.
I'm on the
Yeah,
I'm on the
I can hear
roof
you
now.
Still. You've gone a little bit too far. Come down a bit.
Okay.
Shall I go up and find you?
Where are you?
I'm the red room.
You're better at moving around here than I am.
Yeah. Oh, you're right up there. Come on, up here. Over here.
What?
You've disappeared again.
Okay. I haven't disappeared. I
Avatar's
just
gone
don't know
again.
where I am.
Your avatar's disappeared again. Oh no! Oh, I see. Oh no! Your avatar's just miles up. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That was a problem.
Well, I'm in an office now.
Okay? Right, I don't remember this.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, look,
Okay, let's stick with this one. This one's fine.
Finding new stuff. This is amazing. Oh, I like it. Wow, we got a drafts board, snooker table.
Yeah. Anyway, look.
There.
Are you taking videos or something?
Yeah, I'm doing.
Should I try and take a video?
I'm doing a video.
I can take a video here. Yeah, so I can take a video. This apparently takes a video. Is that taking a video?
I suppose so. I don't know.
So it's counting down 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I tried that, but I didn't quite seem to get that working.
Yeah, the video is probably not working. Sound on. Let's try video. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh crap!
You took a video there.
No, it took a photo.
Look, I can see the video.
Well, this is not playing a video. Oh, it's live. You think this is playing live?
Bloody hell! That actually is terrifying. Yeah, no, it did a quick video. It did a 7-second video.
Okay, let me just try that. Oh,
It'd be
is it
in the
doing
chat.
another
I
one?
think it's probably in the chat. Yeah, it is. It's in the chat.
Okay. Well, it's also on my let's see.
How do you tweet? You tweet. Oh, look, I can tweet stuff.
What?
It's coming up with an option to tweet.
Yeah, but it's probably not on. It's probably a totally out of date API for the
Probably,
Twitter
yeah.
thing. Yeah, no chance that works. Oh yeah, well I've got to show you the pen, right? So we got the pen.
Wow, that actually
going.
does work.
What are you doing?
I've
You're
just
just filling the
tweeted
place with photos.
I've just tweeted it.
You're kidding me. How could it tweet it? Because it
No
doesn't.
idea.
It's not possible.
Wow.
Right. Okay. So I want to. Whoops. I want to sort out the. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
I took a video there.
No, it took a photo. Okay, we can
Yeah,
change the color.
Yeah, that worked. Oh my god. Gonna get rid of that.
What?
The tweet that I did.
Okay. All right.
Cool. We need to get Poppy and everybody in here.
Yeah. There you go. Can write in a circle. There you go. Hubs is amazing. Yeah.
Hubs is amazing. Fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fantastic.